Good morning, friend. Now new chapter. Already we have completed up to 1 to 10 chapter, and 15 also we have completed. So up to 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 15. Now 11 to 14 chapter left. So today we have started 14th chapter, that is statistics. It is also useful in 10th. Same chapter with same chapter name, also same in 10th. So first of all we have to read through introduction. Every day we come across a lot of information in form of fact. In form of fact, numerical figures, tables, graph, etc. These are provided by newspaper, television, magazine, and other means of communication, that is we can use now mobile through Instagram and Facebook. This may be related to cricket betting, bowling average. So we can discuss about the Australia test match related with India and Australia, profit of the different companies. So we can give one name, that is Reliance Industries. We can say that Tata Chemicals. These are all the companies. And temperature of the cities, because of global warming, temperature of the cities are varied. So we can see that in Ganga Sagar we can cross the 50 degrees Celsius in. So temperature of cities, expenditure in the various sectors of 5-year plan, and polling result. So in next we can say that state level elections in Bengal, West Bengal. So this type of information we go through this chapter. These facts or figure which are numerically or otherwise collected with definite purpose, that is called data. The information we collect. So definition related, the information that we collect that we collect are numerically other or figures is called with definite purpose is called data. So data is a plural form Latin word datum. So that data is derived from the word datum. Data is not new for you. You have also studied in data and data handling in standard 8. So that is a basic information with the statistic that we have to get information about the data. So day-to-day life. The world is becoming more and more information oriented. Every part of our lives utilize data in one form to other form. The extraction of meaningful information in studies in branch of mathematics, that is called statistics. मैथमेटिक्स का एक important branch है जिसको हम बोलेंगे statistics. Statistics appear to be derived from a Latin word stratus. Datum, that is data. Status, that is statistic. Its origin, statistics were simply the collection of data on different aspects of life of people useful to the states. Over the period of time, however, its scope broadened and statistics became a concern itself, not only with the collection and presentation of data, but interpretation and drawing of inference from the data. We can predict from data, we can predict. So statistics deals with the collection, organization, analysis and interpretation of data. So these are all the examples that is here. So may have latest copy of Education Statistic of India, day-to-day life of statistic. So now, what is the meaning of data? Collection of data. So different type of collection we can. These are the following collection data. That height of the 20 students of your class, it is also called collection. Number of absentees in this each day in your class. Number of member in families. Height of 15 plants in or around your school. These are all the data. Now two type of data. One is called primary data and another is called secondary data. Primary data means what? If we in first case, when information was collected by investigator itself or himself with definite objective for his or her mind, it is called primary data. While in second case, when the information was gathered from source which is already had the information stored, the data is said to be secondary data. There are two type of data. One is called primary, we can directly get data, it is called primary. From source we can get data, we can say secondary. Now exercise 14.1 you can do it yourself. Now presentation of data. In presentation of data, consider the following mark obtained in 10 students in a mathematics test. So that type of data is called raw data. So data, afterward primary data, secondary data and raw data. So four different type of data. Now range of data. What is the meaning of range of data? The difference of highest and the lowest value in the data is called the range of data. If you will see here, it is called raw data. Observations are there. So maximum observation is 95 and minimum observation is 25. So 95 minus 25, that is the range of data. Now presentation of data in ascending or descending order can be quite time consuming. When the number of observation in experiment is large, on that time what we can do? Here some limited data are there, so we can easily find out maximum and minimum. Now example number 2 that you already learned in 8th standard. So consider the mark obtained out of 100 marks. 30 students are there. So you will see that maximum mark, it is very difficult to find out. We know that 95. So 95 is the maximum. And minimum if we will go, I think it is 20. Here it is maxi. Here it is minimum. Recall the number of students who have obtained a certain number of marks is called frequency. So if I want to see 4 students of 70, so how I can find out 71, 2, 3, 4. But it is very difficult to find all observation. So there is a called continuous frequency table that already we have in 9th standard, 8th standard. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 56, 60, 70, 72, 80, 88 and 92. Now we have to number of students, that is we have to take 1, 1, 1. So total 30. So that is called representation of data. Now example number 3, if more data are there. So above for table 14.1 is called ungrouped frequency distribution table, or we can say frequency distribution table with tally marks. So now more 100 students are there, then how we can do it? So what we have to plan? First we have to represent as a group. So if you will see here maximum number, first of all we have to find out. If you will see that 95, so maximum number is, I think if you will see that is 95 and minimum number. So we have to write 95, maybe possible some greater number is there. We can also do it, but 95 is the greatest number that we have. Sorry, 96, 98. So 98 is the maximum number. And minimum number that if you will see properly, then 32, below it, 31, below it, 33, 31, below it. So if you will see that, so to represent large amount of data, we have to read a group. So if we start from 20, 29, 30, 39 up to 90, 99, because data is from 20 to 398, minimum is 23 and maximum is 98. This grouping is called classes, or we can say class interval, and their size is called class size or class width. So if you will see everywhere here it is 10. So difference is 10. So lower class limit, the least number is called lower class limit, the greater number is called upper class limit. So lower class limit and upper class limit. Now we go for table 14.2. So 100 students are there. 100 students are there. Out of it we have arrange first, minimum number is 23 and maximum is 98. All are included in this. So 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99. Now if you will see three observations, so we have to write first telemark 1, 2, 3, and we have to write at here 0, 3. Now 14 observations, so it is called bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is 1, again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then 1, 2, 3 and 4, so we can get 14. So 40 to 49. Now you will see that if here number is 29, then where we have to add this. So 29 is not included in it. 29 is not included in 20 to 29. It should be included in 30 to 30. 29 we cannot include it. So let me see that how it should be between 29 and 30 is there, what we can do. So presenting data informs, simplifies and condense data certain important feature at a glance. This is called group frequency distribution table. So we can get result 50%, more than 50%. More than 50%. So these are the students who get more than 50%. So if you total it, we can get 71 students. Now importantly, between these, what we can do is here, there is no hard or fast rule for except the classes should overlap. So no overlapping is there. Now one more is their question. Let us now consider the following frequency distribution table with the weight 38 students. These are all the weight of 38 students. Now you will see that if two new students of weight 35.5 and 40.5, where we have to add. So that is why we have to first convert into a table, that is new class interval table we have to find out. How we can find out? By subtracting minus 5, that is if 30 to 35 is there. So or 31 to 36 is there. So I have to minus 0.5, that is 30.5. Again here plus, that is 35.5. 0.5 we have to add both side for easy convention. Always remember that when different is there, again 20 to 29, if you will see the 20 to 29 and 30 to 39, how I should be converting to continue. So I have to write 19.5 to 29.5 and 29.5 to 39.5. That way we have to continue. Now we go for, so here exercise 14.2, you can do it easily, we can do it easily, because A, B, O and AB. Now we have to find out how many A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can say 10. Now B. So we can say 1. So I think here we are doing mistake. AB is there. So we cannot count this. Again, some mistakes are there. We have to read it properly first. How many A's are there? 1. Here AB, we cannot count it. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 0, 9. Now B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is 0, 6. Now O. How we can find out O? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2. That is 12. Now AB. Last is AB. So how much of AB? So 1 AB, 2 AB and 3 AB. 1, 2, 3. 0, 3. We have to find it. It must be equal to 30. So 15 plus 5, that is 0, 20, carry 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 30 observations are there. That way you have to do this type of chart. Now second, 0 to 5, 5 is not included. So what we have to do? 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 0 to 5. 5 is not included. Always remember 5 difference we have to make. Then 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Maximum number is, if you will see, 32 is there. So 25. So 25 to 30 and 30 to 35. So if you will see, 32 is maximum. So 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Now we will see that how many 5 is not included again. 5 is not included in first. Class length is 5. 0, 1. So we have to minus 10 minus 5, 5, 15 minus 10, 5 every time. Now you between 0 to 5 you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 you have to write 0. 5 is not included. 6 to 10, so 5 is included. 1, 10 is not included. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. That way you have to count it and total must be equal to 40. So that is sufficient. We have started the 14th chapter statistic. It should be helpful in 10th also. So read the textbook thoroughly. So you have some doubt, you can ask to me in